Telegram download video not playing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can solve the Telegram's download video not playing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you happen to download a certain video, maybe from a Telegram group or wherever else it was, alright, so let me just go here and go to media, and let's say there was a certain video that you're trying to download, and first of all, the reason it might not be playing is because it might not have been downloaded properly. So you can try tapping the download icon, or try tapping on the three dots option from there and just tap on the save to gallery option over here. Once you tap on save to gallery, that should get saved to your gallery, and next time what happens is you can simply open up your gallery over here and you should be able to find the videos that you have saved. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.